Well, hello, guys. It's once again mp4podcast.com, and today I have an unboxing of a Cheerios box. And I want to get this little book out of here. So, have you ever seen anybody unbox a Cheerio box? I've never seen one on YouTube, so I decided to do it myself. Now, I can't remember what cereal it was, but they used to give out DVDs to TV shows and everybody loves Raymond and stuff like that. So, as you can see, there's the book right there. Trying to pull it out. I'll probably send this to my niece. And there's the book. Let's look at the artwork. Actually, it's not bad for a kid's book. Actually did a really good, decent job. Yeah, so I'm going to send this to my niece. And so you want to get some Cheerios and then tell somebody you bought them a gift and you didn't really pay for it. Cheerios is the way to go, guys. Alright, guys, this is mp4podcast.com making another stupid video for YouTube. Take care, everyone. Bye.